A bag contains 3 red and 7 black balls. 2 balls are drawn one after the other with replacement. Now I am just giving a force on the word with replacement. Okay. At random from the bag. If the second selection is given to be red, what is the probability that the first is also red? Now just look few terms which I am going to write it. Now let R with the I in the base and B with the I in the base. Now R stands for red and B for black balls. Okay. So RI BI be the events of drawing a red ball and a black ball respectively in the ith draw. Now basically what it is, if it is written R1, then the first attempt 2 balls are drawn one after the other. First attempt. If it is R2, then second attempt. R1 first attempt for R1, R2 second attempt for R2, red ball. Okay. So now probability for R1, this is equal to, R1 is 3 red balls and total are 10 balls. So it is 3 upon 10. Probability for red ball with the second attempt, again 3 by 10. Why? Because with replacement, we have written with replacement. Okay. Then we are having probability of black ball in the first attempt, that is 7 upon 10. 7 black balls with total number of balls 10. And now probability for, we are having R1 and R2. Now this can be written as probability of R1 times probability of R2, as these are the two independent events. So we are having this one as 3 by 10 times 3 by 10, this is equal to 9 by 100. Then one more condition we can take it, B1 and R2, because in the second selection is given to be a red. B1 and R2, now this is equal to, again independent event. Now 7 upon 10 times 3 upon 10, this is equal to 21 upon 100. Okay. Now what will be the probability for R2? Only R2. Probability for R2. Now this will be, the second selection is given to be red. So only for, if we are just discussing probability for R2, if it will be probability for R1 and R2 or B1 and R2. Is it clear? So now this can be further written as probability of R1 and R2 plus probability of B1 and R2. Addition law or addition theorem. Now this is equal to, now R1 and R2 we are having 9 upon 100. 9 upon 100 plus 21 upon 100, this is 30 upon 100. Is it clear? Now required probability is what? Required probability is P R1 oblique R2. Okay. Now P R1 oblique R2, this is equal to probability for R1 and R2 upon probability for R2. So this becomes now R1 and R2 9 upon 100, 9 upon 100 upon R2 we are getting 30 upon 100. 9 upon 30 or this is equal to 3 upon 10 and this is the answer.